Good morning, students. So we are going to continue our unit 6 and we are going to do the last topic of this chapter. So first is refining or methods of purification. So metal that is extracted by different methods, still it contain or it is contaminated with some impurities. So for obtaining a metal of high purity, there are other techniques that we are used to differentiate between the metal or the impurities. Okay, so first method is distillation. This method is used for a metal those are having a low boiling point, okay, like mercury and zinc. So in this process what happens, the impure metals are heated above the boiling point and those metals can change into the vapors. So the vapors of the pure metals are then condensed and the impurities are left behind. Because the impurities are having a high boiling point, they doesn't change into the vapor form, only the metal change into a vapor form. After that, next method is liquation. Liquation is the method for separating metals from their ore, okay, and in this method we heated the metal and metal having a low melting point, so it started melt and drain away from the other and can be collected. So the impurities that are having a high melting point, they remain at the slope, but the pure metal is collected. Third method is electrolytic refining. So it is a process in which we can say we are using two different metal rod. One is pure metal rod and the second is impure metal rod. So when we connected these rods and we started the current flowing through these rods, and there must be a liquid present, that is electrolyte should be present there, then the impure metal started losing electron and those electrons get collected toward along the pure metal, okay, and along with the electron there are some we can say impurities also started losing, and it is collected at the bottom. Okay, here is a diagram in which two metals are there, rods are there. So copper rods are there and same metal mud is collected at the impurity at the bottom and the electrons collected at the pure rod. Next is the last is zone refining. In zone refining there is a metal rod, we want to pure this metal rod, and so for this we are using here the mobile heater. Okay, that heater is fixed at the one end and as we move the heater and along with this heater the impurities are also moving along with this heater, and behind it the metal is only left and that becomes solid, but the impurities in this are more soluble in melt, so they started flowing or move along with the heater. So melt containing the impurities and it moves forward along the heater through the entire. Okay, so in zone refining, difference in solubilities of impurities in molten and solid state of metal. Okay, so these are the methods that we are using for refining the metal. So go through the topic and if you are having doubt you can ask. Thank you.